సో ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో పైథాన్ ఎవరు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, పైథాన్ నేర్చుకుంటే జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, హూ షుడ్ లెర్న్ పైథాన్. ఓకే, పైథాన్ ఎవరు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు? ఫస్ట్ వన్, బిగినర్స్. Okay, we are coming from any background, like as a normal degree or BTech degree. In that BTech degree also any stream, we are coming from any stream, like as a computer science or mechanical or civil, or anybody to learn Python. Beginners and kids also learning Python. Next one, web developer. Your career is started as a web developer. We are learning Python. Next one, if you want to start your career as a test engineer, should learn Python. If we want to start your career as a data scientist, should learn Python. If you want to start your career as a data analyst, some people we are calling as a business analyst. Next one, if we want to start our career as a data engineer, we should learn Python. If you want to start as a web developer, or if you want to start your software career as a test engineer, either data scientist or data analyst or business analyst, data engineer. Next one in the market, one more domain, ML engineer, DL engineer. If you want to start your career as a machine learning engineer, we should learn Python. If you want to start your career as a deep learning engineer, you should learn Python. Next one, if we want to start your career as a DevOps engineer, we should learn Python. If we want to start your career as a cloud engineer, you should learn Python. Next one, if you want to start your career as a IoT engineer, you should learn Python. If we want to start your career as a ethical hacker, you should learn Python. Next one, if you want to doing masters, like as a MTech or MS in CS, computer science, and if you want to masters in data science, if you want to masters in cyber security, if you want to masters in artificial intelligence, we need to require Python. Okay, as a beginners, we are learning Python. Next one, as a web developer, we are learning Python. As a test engineer, we are learning Python. As a data scientist, we need to require Python. As a data analyst or business analyst, we need to require Python. As a data engineer, we need to require Python. And as a ML engineer or DL engineer, we need to require Python. As a DevOps engineer or cloud engineer or IoT engineer or ethical hacker, either if you want to masters in computer science stream or a data scientist or either cyber security or artificial intelligence, we need to require Python. ఓకే, ప్రస్తుతం ఉన్న మార్కెట్లో మనం ఏ డొమైన్కి వెళ్ళాలి అనుకున్నా పైథాన్ అనేది కామన్గా కావాలి.